Welcome, plants lovers, to this step-by-step guide on building your very own autonomous plant management system with the web-based control. I'm Corey, and I'm joined by Alice and Linton. We will walk you through the overall structure and flow of this innovative system, designed to provide your plants with indoor optimal care and monitoring. Step by step, we will review the magics of sensing, data analysis, and automated control for healthier plants. Whether you're a home user or aspiring entrepreneur, this system offers endless possibilities for a greener future. Let's get started. The system complies several key components working seamlessly together to ensure your plants thrive. Let's take a look at the main steps in this process. Our system core includes sensors and a camera continuously monitor the grow bed for real-time insights. All this data is then sent to the PLC for processing. Once the PLC retrieves the data, the raw data is transmitted to the cloud for further processing and analysis. In the cloud, the data analysis program analyzes data with advanced algorithm. After the data analysis is complete, the processed data is stored on the cloud server. The cloud server acts as a central repository for all the data, ensuring easy access and retrieval when needed. However, the story does not end here. The processed data is also sent back to the system, where it becomes the basis for further action and control. A decision-making program optimizes plant care, adjusting lighting, robotic arm, and water for ideal conditions. It then communicates these optimized settings to the automated control system. The automated control system manages lighting for optimal timing and intensity. Robotic arm plants and harvests, while watering system maintains soil's moisture.
Hello everyone, I'm Alice. Welcome to my channel. I'm sure you're wondering how the AI operates this plant system. Next, I will explain it to you step by step. Now let's start. The first step is to gather components and materials. Before you start building, make a list of the basic items needed for the project, including the camera, some of the sensors. Maybe you need robot arms and the cloud servers, and so on. Please make sure all components are in this place. Now, let's remove the second step. This step is to set up the plant bed. We should choose a location to place the plant's bed that is the most suitable for the plants to provide the best growing conditions. And we also need to make sure that the robot arms can move freely. Now, we will see the third step. Sensors and the camera need to install to establish a connection with the PLC. First, we will install temperature, humidity, and soil moisture sensors in the grow bed to collect important data about the growing environment of the plants. This is because the PLC serves data from the components, the sensor and the cameras, and then send the raw data to the cloud for processing and analysis. Now, the first step, we need to install the robot arms. This device will help us automate the water process and ensure that the plants get the right amount of the water. This is because people often forget to water, which can easily lead to plants drying out, and this also shows the importance of the AI automation. Now, our final highlight is the LED lighting system. Connected to the PLC, we will provide the light condition for each stage of the plant growth. This is because too little light and the plants will become pale. while to match the light and the plants may turn yellow. Maybe we used an artificial light source maybe benefits them. After heard this step, you will understanding the importance of each component and how to integrate them with your PLC to create the perfect automated plants manager system. Finally, there are some safety tips. Please check the maintain the system regularly. The second, when working with the electrical components, disconnected the power supply to ensure safety. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Ninteng Wu, and I will introduce you about the data linkage. First, we need to understand what data linkage is. It is a process that allows for a seamless flow of data between different parts of our system. Imagine data linkage as a messenger that carries crucial information from one component to another in our system. So, in the first step, we need to recognize the importance of data linkage and its role as a data carrier within our system. Second, we will see how to prepare the data collected by the sensors. The data from sensors need to be converted into a format that the PLCs can interpret. This is done by normalizing the data from different sources and merging it into a single uniform data stream, like translating different language into one. To do this, you need to ensure your PLC is programmed to receive the interpret data from the different sensor in this uniform format. So in this step, we have transformed the raw sensors data into PLC-friendly format. The third step involves in sending this processed data to the cloud. Once processed, this data is transmitted by the PLC to the cloud for analysis. This can be achieved by integrating your PLC with a source cloud service that can handle data analysis. In this step, ensure that you have a reliable and secure cloud service linked with your PLC to receive store the data. Now the processed data is safely stored in the cloud, ready for analysis. Firstly, we need to ensure the feedback loop from the cloud back to the PLC. The analyzed data from the cloud is sent back to the PLC. This enables the PLC to adjust the operation of the physical components based on the analyzed data. Here, make sure your PLC is programmed to receive the feedback and adjust the control signals accordingly to the virtual components like lighting system, robotic arm, and the watering mechanism. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have created a data linkage for your autonomous plant management system. This continuous loop of data collection, processing, analysis, and adjustment is what will allow your system to provide optimal care of your plants.
In conclusion, with our step-by-step guide, you can build your own autonomous plant management system. Linking sensors, PLC, and the cloud enables real-time data analysis for optimal plant care. Automate watering, lighting, and harvesting with a robotic arm for healthier plants. Embrace technology for a greener future. Follow the steps for success. Thank you for tuning in.